So as previously we have discussed about the carbohydrates and then the types of carbohydrates, that was monosaccharide, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. So today we are going to see the uses of carbohydrates, where carbohydrate is used. So first of all we have number one point, they are required as an energy source for the survival of both plant and animal. Required for energy source for the survival. Okay, so now here you can see they are required for the energy source for the survival plants and animals. In plant, let's see how the plant, we have this plant. Okay, so here we have CO2 plus carbon dioxide plus oxygen, water is converted into glucose plus oxygen. Okay, tell you these are the inorganic components or substance, while these are the organic substance. Alright, so now here you can see we have like glucose in the plants. It is stored in the form of starch. Okay, while the glucose in human being or in the human body is stored in the form of, let me write here, glucose in human body is stored in the form of glucagon. Right here, glycogen. Okay, glycogen in the form of glycogen. So here you can see when the glucose level in body decrease. Okay, so what will happen? The beta so that signal will be sent to the igniter. That signals will be sent to beta cells. Beta cells are in the pancreas. Okay, so after sending the signals to the beta cell that the glucose level in the body is decreased, so they will release the insulin. Okay, so now what insulin will do? Insulin will convert the glycogen into the glucose. Glycogen into glucose. Okay, after converting this, okay, so here this glucose will be circulated throughout the body. So this was the first rule that required for the energy source for the survival of both plant and animal. Okay, so now if you talk about like a second, we can say use that as they sustain the structure of plant. Yes, carbohydrates also present in the structure of plants too. Okay, So, in the another third rule, carbohydrates in the form of starch in the plants and the glucose in mammal serve the energy source. This is what I told you, that carbohydrates are in the form of glycogen in the human body and this form of starch in the plant body, and they serve the energy. And at that point, they keep our blood sugar level in check. As I told you, if the glucose level is decreased in the body, so the signal will send to the beta cell that glucose level is decreased in the body. So beta cells are present in the pancreas. They will release the insulin. Insulin will connect the glycogen into the glucose, and then that will circulate it throughout the body. So they will maintain the glucose level. So they will check the body blood signals in the blood sugar level in the check. Okay, and we can say carbohydrates fiber happen plus stored level and the blood pressure regulation. Yeah, and we can say yeah, these are some rules about the carbohydrates. Hope you got it. Bye bye.